Today I will assembly this hydraulic jack. I will assembly first part for this hydraulic jack assembly. Okay, let's start. Just go to this new and click this assembly and click this OK. Now choose this file. At first I will choose this hydraulic jack base. Just choose this and just click open and click this and just move it. This is the hydraulic jack base. Just right click and click this float and just go to this view and click this view origin and go to this assembly and click this mat. Now choose this origin point and this origin point. Choose this coincident and just click OK. Now go to insert component. Choose this hydraulic this ball and choose open and just click this. Now select this mat and click on this ball and select this hole and choose this concentric and just select OK. Now drag it little bit. OK. Similarly click OK and go to insert component and choose this ball and click open. Now select this and just drag it now select this mat and select this hole and select this ball. Choose this concentric and just select OK and just little drag it. OK. Now just OK. Now go to this insert component, choose this support plate and just click open. Now select this mat and select this edge and select this edge. Select this concentric and just OK. Now drag it and select this face and select this bottom face of the plate. Now see and just select OK. Just move it just move it for this whole position. Move another. Yes, now see now it is better position. Again go to this assembly, click insert and choose this support plate 25, click open and click this and go to mat, select this edge and select this edge, select this concentric, select OK. Just select this face and select this face and select OK. Now just move it. Yes, now move it little in this side. Okay, now our position is better. Okay, this is our base. This plate is used for this support this ball and this ball. Now see the inner side and section view. Just click section view and select this section and just select OK. Now see, this is the inner side of hydraulic jack.